So here we are. I've got a high power bulge coming in. I put the headlamp plates on. So I'm going to use some matte gas just to anneal the material. I'll give myself a Sharpie marker so it's not going to overheat. I'm going to take down the high crown using a wooden mallet and a hand blade. So we're just going to give it a little bit of a warm up. I've got to take this high spot area down. I don't want to overheat it. It's 40 thou. So it heats up very quickly on the 50 thou aluminum. Slowly taking that down. Need a taddy more, just a little bit further back. Another little anneal. I'd rather anneal it a couple of times than I would all in one go. I could use oxyacetylene, but the oxyacetylene, that is a little ferocious on this very thin material. It's an old original body. Just to give me a guide, the flat side of a flipper, just to see the roll that I've got. That came down. It was quite a high spot. Oh yeah, we've got a nice go and flow now. Coming in from the top, looking in to the angle. So as you can feel, I can touch it straight away. It's real warm, it's just not overheated. Making sure we've got no kinks. So now that I've taken this high spot down, I'm going to transfer into a low spot right here. So I've got to bring all of this out. And what I'll use is a steel slapper and just come in with my steel slapper a little bit just to shape that up a taddy. As you can see, I'm just transferring high down, bringing up the low. Don't want to overdo it. The metal's nice and warm. As soon as the old aluminium gets warm, we start shaping up real quick. I'll get a profile gauge on that just to double check, but I'm just eyeballing it. Oh yeah, we're getting in the ballpark straight away. Got to use a bar slapper down in here, but you get the gist of it. So once you anneal it, boy, you can just really shrink that material down very quick and shape it into what we need. Stretching it up when it's warm metal comes up real nicely. So there you have it, just a quick video.